can watch us. This is Anashmita Saha, and we are Anashmita Dance Studio from High Wycombe, Buckinghamshire. Our heartiest welcome to all the viewers for joining us. Please stay with us. We need your encouragement, support, and blessing. I'm very thankful to all my ADS members for agreeing to perform without much preparation. We planned for this program to be go on next week, but we had to prepone for some restriction. So I would like to seek the blessing from Goddess Durga, and then seek my blessing from my Kathak Guru Srimati Shushmita Mishra, who is the legend of Jaipur Kathak Gharana, and my Rabindik and folk dancer Nirmalendu Das, and I know my ma is watching. So ma pranam. So Guru ma pranam, sir pranam, ma pranam, and all the elders need your blessings. We are going to start our program with Ganesh Bandana, because we know we need to go start any shubh things. We need to go with the Ganesh Ji, need to blessing from Ganesh Ji as well. This is our Agamani coming, Goddess Durga. Mahalaya is coming on 17th, but we are celebrating today, not Mahalaya, just seeking blessing from Ma Durga. So first, we are going to start our program with Ganesh Bandana, presented by Gitanjali Chatterjee. Please come forward. Who is my dear friend, and I know her for a long time. She's a loving person and always by my side whenever I needed for her help. She is an excellent dancer too. Let's enjoy her tribute to Ganesh Ji. Thank you, everyone. Please keep watching. We need your support and blessing. Thank you.
Namaskar. I'll start the program with Ganesh Bandana, a medley of to the song Vakratunda Mahakaya and Jaidev Jaidev. As we all believe that any auspicious occasion should start by worshipping Lord Ganesha, because he is the remover of any obstacles. Thank you.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अपने ही मन का, सुंदर लाल के राज सुत गौरी शिव का। हाथ में है गुड़ लड्डू प्रभु गजानन की, महिमा कहूँ तो कैसे झुकाऊं सिर पद में। जय देव गणेशा तेरा रूप निराला, कोटि सूर्य का है तुझ में उजाला। लंबोदर पीतांबर तेरा क्या कहना, सरल सुंदर वक्र तुंड त्रिनयना। जय देव दूर रंजित हर रंग सुंदर, मोतियन का माला चमके गले पर। हर गुण संपन्न हो गौरी नंदन, तुझको भाई कुमकुम के सर चंदन। जय देव ज्ञानी जाने तू है सिद्धि दाता, सबके लिए तेरा प्यार बरसता। तेरी लीला जग में है न्यारी, करता है तू मुझसे की सवारी। जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति। जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूरी।
Thank you, Gitanjali. This was a lovely performance. Please come. I'm handing this show to present the host, capable hand, Gitanjali Chatterjee. She will be hosting this event. So thank you. Thanks once again, everyone. Please stay with us. Keep watching. We need your blessing and support.
Hello and good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the celebration of Agumani, Ma Durga, welcoming of Ma Durga, organized by Anusmita Dance Studio. After our successful virtual Indian Independence Day celebration, Anusmita wanted us to perform live, and we started planning for celebrating Mahalaya on the 28th of September. But unfortunately, on Tuesday evening, the government's new rule of 6 came out. So on Wednesday evening, very late in the evening actually, we had a Zoom meeting where Anusmita convinced and motivated us to perform live today to welcome Ma Durga before the government's rule gets imposed. So we literally got 2 evenings to prepare for this event, as we were all working full times. We are all back to our work. And that's why I want to thank Anusmita for her dedication, determination, and proving again that if you really want something from bottom of your heart, you get it your way. It can be possible. And with the blessing of Ma Durga, we have all gathered here today, and we have gathered our courage to be here today, and the weather is with us as well. Thank you. So before we start, I would like to request our viewers to cooperate with us in case we make any mistakes and if there are any technical glitches. And also, I would request on behalf of Anusmita Dance Studio that you all give us encouragement through your comments, and please give us constructive comments. Thank you. Now I would like to invite Navanita Das, who is going to tell you the story of Mahalaya.
Namaste, Mata. Thank you, Gitanjali. Thank you, Anusmita, for giving me the opportunity to be part of this wonderful initiative. So without further delay, without knowing the back, this is especially for, we thought, we adults who are in India, we might know about Mahishasuramartini and the background of Mahalaya, but especially for viewers all over the world in UK and for children who do not know the background, what is Mahalaya and why do we celebrate. So we thought of presenting this little bit in nutshell to give some idea about Mahalaya. Durga Puja is round the corner and festivities have begun. Along with the festivities come the various tales and legends surrounding the festivals. The story of Goddess Durga, the legend of Mahalaya, the story of Goddess Durga defeating Mahishasura, for instance. So who was Mahishasura? As legends have it, Mahishasura was a king with the head of a buffalo. He was a staunch worshipper of Lord Brahma. After years of penance by Mahishasura, Brahma was finally pleased and offered him a wish. Mad with power, Mahishasura demanded immortality. His wish was that he should not be killed by a man or animal on the face of earth. Brahma granted him this wish and then told him that a woman will be killing him. Mahishasura believed that no woman in this world who could cause him any harm. Is that really possible? The legend continues. Mahishasura, high on power of immortality, attacked Trilok, the 3 worlds of earth, heaven, and hell, with his army. He even tried to capture Indralok, the kingdom of Lord Indra. The gods decided to wage a war on Mahishasura, but due to Lord Brahma's boon, nobody was able to defeat him. And we do remember nobody can defeat him except a woman. The gods thus approached Lord Vishnu for help. After considering the situation, Lord Vishnu decided to create a female form of defeat Mahishasura. But since Lord Shiva is the god of destruction, they consulted with him. Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva combined all their powers together to give birth of Durga. Durga is an incarnation of goddess Parvati, the daughter of Himavan, the lord of the mountains. She is mother goddess Shakti, the power that runs the universe. Goddess Durga then fought Mahishasura over a period of 15 days, during which he kept changing his shape to become different animals and misled her. Finally, when he transformed into a buffalo, Goddess Durga stabbed him with her trident, and that was the end of him. Mahishasura was defeated and killed on the day of Mahalaya. Another tale that dates back 3,000 years says that Mahishasura was a non-Aryan king whose people worshipped the buffalo. Mahishasura's power knew no bounds as he defeated many Aryan kings in the northern kingdom of Aryabhatta. While many kings were defeated by Mahishasura, a queen came to rule the northern part of Aryabhatta. So this is another way of looking at the story of Mahalaya. So I think I'm going to stop here. I think the popular story that is well known to everybody is what we have read about, and hope that gave you some insight about what is Mahalaya and why do we celebrate Mahalaya. Jai Mata.
Beautifully narrated, Navanita. Well done. Thank you. Now, our first dance of Agamani, welcoming of Ma Durga, is going to be performed by our very talented dance teacher, brilliant dancer, and very good friend of ours, Anashmita. And she will be performing to the songs Ya Chandi and Jago Tumi Jago from Mahalaya.
I think everything is going smoothly. I don't know if everything is coming. If we are making any mistakes, any technical glitch, please forgive us and please stay tuned. We are still amateur, but we are getting there. So, trying to seeking Ma Durga, I'm going to start our Mahala song, Ya Chandi and Jago Tumi Jago.
Jago, tumi jago, jago Durga, jago dosho praharanadharini. Abhaya shakti bolo pradayini, जागो जागो তুমি জাগো রনুমি বরদা অজরা তুলা রনুমি বরদা অজরা তুলা বালো হারিনি বিপুদার বাড়িনি জাগো মা মনময়ী চন্ডিকা শঙ্করী জাগো মা জাগো অসুরাই তুমি জাগো জাগো দুর্গা জাগো দশপ্রহরণধারী অভয় শক্তি বল প্রদায়ী জাগো জাগো তুমি
What an outstanding performance, Anishmita, as usual. And these songs add to the nostalgia of my, childhood. And your moves and expressions just gave me goosebumps.
Thank you, Gitanjali. And
Very
you're doing
well
very
done.
well. Well done.
Thank you. And I hope Ma Durga wakes up and heals
Yeah.
our art from all these negativities. Yeah,
Sure.
thank you.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to welcome a very elegant lady and an excellent, graceful dancer, Shikha Vishnu, who will be performing to the song Rupang Dehi.
Thank you, Gitanjali. So I'll be performing on this very popular devotional song of Mahalaya, Rupang Devi. We generally sing this song for learning as well as for peace. We worship Goddess Durga through this song for spiritual beauty, spiritual glory, spiritual victory, and to kill all the enemies that are there within us. I hope you enjoy my performance, which I've just learned within two days.
मधुकैटभ विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि धूम्र नेत्र बधे देवी धर्म कामार्थदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि रक्त बीज बधे देवी चंडमुंड विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि दिशो जहि निशुंभ शुंभ निर्नाशी त्रैलोक्य शुभदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि वन्दितां युगे देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि अचिन्त्य रूप चरिते सर्वशत्रु विनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि न तेभ्यः सर्वदा भक्ता चापर्णे दुरितापहे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि सावध्योवक्ति कुर्वन् त्वं चण्डिके व्यतिनाशिनि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि चण्डिके सततं युद्धे जयन्ती पापनाशिनि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि विद्यावन्तं यशस्वन्तं लक्ष्मीवन्तं च मां कुरु रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो देहि
Super performance, Shikha.
Thank you.
As usual, your choreography was beautiful and extremely graceful.
Thank you
Thank
so much,
you.
Gitanjali. Thank you.
And I don't know about you, but the ambience in here is actually changing, and I pray to Ma Durga that the goodness comes down over the evil. Thank you. Now, our next performer is very enthusiastic and energetic dancer Priyanka Gupta, and she will be performing to the song Durga Elo.
কোন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখো মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনের সুর তোমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো রাতভর তোর জোর কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা রাতভর তোর জোর কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা করে বিষাদে আড়ি মেতে আড্ডায় ভরপুর ধ্বনির রুল প্রাণে ছড়ালো বড় বড় দুর্গা এলো বড় বড় দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো চার দিন প্ল্যানিং আজ ঘুরতে ঠাসা বৈঠক থেকে রাত সব হুল্লোড়ে ভাষা চার দিন প্ল্যানিং আজ ঘুরতে ঠাসা বৈঠক থেকে রাত সব হুল্লোড়ে ভাষা ধনুচির ছন্দে সেজে হৃদয়ের তার হবে ষষ্ঠীতে শুরু চলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো
Brilliant performance, Priyanka. We all know that Durga Ma is coming late this year, but we are sure that when she comes, all our worries will disappear. Thank you, Priyanka. I know you are a bit out of breath. It was so lively. And
Thank
yeah, that beautiful performance.
Thank you.
Would you like to say something right now, or maybe after the next song, or before the next song?
Yes.
Because she will be performing to another song. Thank you. Now, our next performers are, it's a duet actually. Two very versatile dancers, Kavya and Jyoti, and they will be doing Kathak style dance to Durga Vandana. I hope you all enjoy it.
Hello. So we would like to introduce ourselves first.
So, as Gitanjali told, my name is Kavi Sudha. I'm from Highway from Buckinghamshire. So, I've been part of ADS since 1 year now. So, it has been an amazing experience until now. So, I'm learning Kathak dance from Anishmita Saha. So, I should tell you that I just fell in love with Kathak because of my Guruji, Anishmita Saha. So, today we'll be performing Durga Vandana song, and it will be a Kathak dance performance. Hi everyone. I am Jyoti Chaudhary from High Wycombe, Buckinghamshire, and I am a homemaker and I love dancing and I want to explore myself in different styles of dancing. And I have been a part of Anashmita Dance Studio since January 2020. And I am so fortunate to have Anashmita as my guru, as a dance teacher. So
नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि प्रणतपालिनी देवी नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि नमो देवी नमो देवी नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि गिरीशदेहिनि विश्वदेहिनि गिरीशदेहिनि विश्वदेहिनि भुवनमोहिनि त्रिगुणशालिनि भुवनमोहिनि त्रिगुणशालिनि मण्डले कलिमूलनाशिनि हृदि कलश प्रक्षालिनि देवी 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 नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि प्रणतपालिनी देवी नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि नमो देवी नमो देवी नमो देवी अनन्तरूपिणि
Just outstanding, amazing performance, both of you. I know how little time you got to practice together, and you are in so much sync. Hats off to you both.
thank you, Gitanjali. Thank you.
So, our next performer is Deepa, who is another very graceful dancer, and she will be performing to the song Thag Baja, Kashur Baja.
Namaskar everyone. I'm Deepa Srinivasan. I live in High Wycombe, and dance has been a major part of my childhood, and I'm very fortunate to join Anishmita Dance Studio last October 2019. So, and thank you to Anishmita for giving us this opportunity, and I'm doing the dance Dhak Baja Kashur Baja.
ঢাক বাজা কাসর বাজা হলুদে আর শাঁখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা হে ঢাক বাজা কাসর বাজা হলুদে আর শাঁখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা বলো দুর্গা মাই কি বলো দুর্গা মাই কি আরে বলো দুর্গা মাই কি তুমি যে মা তোমার স্নেহ মায়ার নেই তুলনা সপ্তমীতে তোমারে আসনে দিলাম এই আলপনা নতুন জামা নতুন শাড়ি ঘরে পুজো বারোহারি সবকিছুতে প্রেম জড়িয়ে আছে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা
Another outstanding performance, Deepa. Well done. Extremely graceful indeed. And knowing that you are not Bengali and remembering all this wording, hats off to you. You have
so
done a
much.
fantastic job.
Thank you.
Now, our next performer is Navanita Das, another extremely beautiful and expressive dancer, and she will be performing a medley to famous songs of Ma Durga. Come on, Navanita.
Namaste, namaskar. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity, and I'm going to start my medley. It consists of 3 songs. One is Bhavani Dayani, which is a praise of Ma Durga, then with a very popular Agamani song, Bajra Tomar Benu, followed by a very popular song as Durga Vandana, Durge Durge Durgati Nashini. Hope you will enjoy. Thank you so much.
भवानी दयानी भवानी दयानी महावाक्यवानी सुरनरमुनि जनमानि सकल बुध ज्ञानी भवानी दयानी भवानी दयानी महावाक्यवानी सुरनरमुनि जनमानि सकल बुध ज्ञानी भवानी बाजलो तुम्हार आलोर बिनु তোমার আলোর দিন আজ প্রভাতে শিশুর সুরে খুলে দিল বাজলো 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 তোমার আলোর বিনু অন্তরে যায় লুকিয়ে রাজে অরুণ বীণায় সে সুর বাজে সে আনন্দ যোগে সবার মধুর আমন্ত্রণ মাতলু রে ভুবন বাজলো তোমার আলোর বিনু দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে 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 দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দেবী দুর্গে জগত জননী তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দেবী দুর্গে জগত জননী তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দেবী দুর্গে জগত জননী তুমি মা মঙ্গলকারিণী দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দশ পূজা দশ সহস্রশালিনী মধুময়ী জগৎহারিণী পূজা দশ সহস্রশালিনী মধুময়ী জগৎহারিণী অদ্বিতীয়া অদ্বিতীয়া ভবানী দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী মহিষাসুর মর্দিনী জয় মা দুর্গে
Beautiful performance, Navanita. Well done. And within 2 days, choreographing it all and remembering it all is just remarkable. Well done. You have done a fantastic job, Navanita. And now I would like to present you another versatile dancer, Kushmita, who will be dancing to Ya Devi and Agni. Thank you. Come, Kushmita.
Namaskar. Thank you. I'm performing on Ya Devi Sarvagrit Prishu. Yeah, it's a very popular song for Devi. And it means that Devi resides in us every way. She, like in wisdom, courage, strength, she gives us everything. and we bow every time to her. So that's from my side. Hope you like it.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चेतने प्रबुधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिभूत संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः गिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेधिनी विश्वविनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोधिनी वासिनी विष्णु विलासिनी जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कंठ कुटुंबिनी भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकल्पिनी शैलसुते
Thank you. Superb performance, Pushpita. Kudos to you. Well done. You have done a fantastic job.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you.
fantastic. I was having goosebumps again. I must say.
Thank you so much.
And now Jyoti will be performing a solo this time, and she will be performing to the song Thaket Tale, which is a Bengali song, and it must have been really hard for you because Jyoti is not Bengali. Yes. All the best.
ঢাকের তালে কোমর দোলে খুশিতে নাচে মন আজ বাজা কাশর জমা আসর থাকবে মা আর কতক্ষণ ঢাকের তালে কোমর দোলে খুশিতে নাচে মন আজ বাজা কাশর জমা আসর থাকবে মা আর কতক্ষণ মায়ের রূপে মন ভরে যায় প্রণাম জানাই রাঙা পায় করে ধুনচি দু হাতে নাচে রে এখন ঢাকের তালে কোমর দোলে খুশিতে নাচে মন আজ বাজা কাছর জমা আসর থাকবে মা আর কতক্ষণ বলো দুর্গা মাইকি বলো দুর্গা মাইকি বলো দুর্গা মাইকি বলো দুর্গা মাইকি
আসবে আমার মা বছর পরে দু চোখ মুখে জলে ভরে আসবে মা লক্ষ্মী কদিন পরে মঞ্চে তবু হাতে কেমন করে
আমি জানাবো মাকে জানাবো আরে মনের আশা যেন এ মনে এই জীবনে থাকে এমনই ভালোবাসা মায়ের ভাষান হবে রে আজ চলছে বারণ আরতি নাচ তাই করে করে কোড়া করে চললে রে মাতন ঢাকের তালে কোমর দোলে খুশিতে নাচে আজ বাজা কাছর জমা আসর থাকবে মা আর কত
Just excellent, Jyoti. Excellent performance, and you pulled it off beautifully. Within one day, you have done a fantastic job. We were all dancing backstage with her.
Know anything, any Bengali word or nothing, but she has done amazing job, and we are all dancing with them.
Thank you. Well done. And now Priyanka will be performing to another song, Bengali song, Joy Joy Durga Ma. Welcome, Priyanka. Sam, you want to say something?
Yes. Hi, this is Priyanka from High Wycombe, Buckinghamshire. I love dancing, and dancing now it becomes my passion. But I have not thought about it whether I will be able to continue my dance, my passion after coming to UK. But Anashmita gave the opportunity to me, and I'm here for 1 year, and I'm very much honored to associate it with ADS. Thank you.
বলো দুর্গা মাইকে বলো দুর্গা মাইকে
জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় 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 দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয়
খড়গ হাতে রণচণ্ডী তুমি পাপের নাশে মহাশক্তি তুমি খড়গ হাতে রণচণ্ডী তুমি অসুর বিনাশিনী শক্তি তুমি দশভুজা তোমার অপার মহিমা
জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় 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 দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয়
বলো দুর্গা মাইকি বলো দুর্গা মাইকি লাগলো দোলাই কাশের বনে শারদিয়ার এই খুশির দিনে ও সুখের ছোঁয়াজ সবার মনে মাগো তোমারই আগমনে খড়গ হাতে নারী শক্তি তুমি দুর্গতি নাশিনী মুক্তি তুমি দশভুজা তোমার অপার মহিমা
জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় 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 দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয়
বলো দুর্গা মাইকে
জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয়
বলো দুর্গা মাই কি সাজলো পাড়া যে সাজলো বাড়ি নতুন জামা গায়ে নতুন শাড়ি অঞ্জলি দিয়ে মজারাই তোমার সবাই তোমার যেন করুণাময় খড়গ হাতে শুভ শক্তি তুমি প্রাণের চেতনা ভক্তি তুমি ও দশ পূজা তোমার অপার মহিমা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় 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 দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয় জয় দুর্গা মা জয়
Thank you. Well done, Priyanka. Another amazing performance, and this has bring us to the last performance for today, and which is going to be a Dhunachi dance, group dance, and it was quite impromptu actually, because we all just had 10 minutes of practice before start of the program. But we really wanted to do a Dhunachi dance, as without Dhunachi dance, it can't be, Durga Puja. So we want to end this program with Dhunachi dance.
Thank you. for staying with us and watching. Hope you like it. Sorry for the technical glitch. The Facebook link might not be working at the moment, but I'll repost our whole event soon. And thanks once again, Anashmita Dance Studio from High Wycombe, Buckinghamshire, Shikha, Deepa, Kushmita, Priyanka, Gitanjali, Jyoti, Kabyashuda, and Nabanita. Amazing team. They have just done in 2 days impromptu event today because, as Gitanjali said, we had to prepone this event. Hope you all like it, and this is my courage. They are all my courage, and this is my passion, and they know if I say, they never say no, and this is that enthusiasm they have given me. That's why I am standing here today. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. And thank you behind the scene.
Thank you. We need to clap for them.
Two technical support in there. Shudin Jata, would you like to come? And Partho Shah, would you like to come? They are a bit shy, so but the support is there. So thank you once again, and thank you all the viewers for watching, staying with us. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry if we made any mistakes. Forgive us. We are still amateur. We are getting there, and we need your blessing and support. Thank you.
Just want to say want to say one thing. Like we on day of Mahalaya, Ma Durga descend to earth, and we all pray that the advent of Ma Durga on this occasion brings us light on to an otherwise very gloomy and dark year. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Hope we can get this year as well Ma Durga's darshan. Pray for that. Everybody stay safe. Take care. And Bolo Bolo Durga Mai ki Jai! And in advance, Happy Mahalaya to everyone.
Happy Mahalaya!
Namaskar.
Thank you.
Thank you.